The threat of a third COVID wave is looming, and that's why the Uttarakhand government has decided to cancel this year's Kawad Yatra. The decision came after the IMA, the Indian Medical Association, put out a very clear warning against holding festive gatherings. Uttar Pradesh, however, has allowed the yatra with certain curbs in place. Delhi and Haryana are yet to take a call.
On a day when Indian Medical Association shot off a letter to newly elected Uttarakhand CM PS Dhami, warning him of repercussions of holding annual Kawad processions, good sense, it seems, has prevailed. Uttarakhand became the first state to cancel this year's Kawad Yatra because of the COVID pandemic.
लोगों का जीवन हमारे लिए प्राथमिकता है, हम उससे बिल्कुल भी खिलवाड़ नहीं कर सकते, उसमें हम कोई कोताही नहीं बरतेंगे, इसलिए हमने यात्रा स्थगित करने का फैसला किया।
The IMA has been vocal in its appeal. The Organization of Doctors has declared that allowing any religious festival could be dangerous.
Evidence which is across the globe, it says that once we are following strictly COVID appropriate behaviors, there is a 70 to 80% possibility of reduction of the cases. It is well documented.
But Uttar Pradesh has decided to allow the annual road pilgrimage with some curbs. A limited number of pilgrims will be allowed to take part in procession, and they will have to carry an RT-PCR negative report. In the meantime, Haryana and the national capital are yet to decide on Kawad Yatra. The Delhi Disaster Management Act mandates no mass religious gatherings will be allowed during the pandemic. If Delhi were to allow the yatra, it will have to come out with a fresh order. The annual road pilgrimage involves Shiva devotees called Kavadiyas travelling by foot to fetch Ganga water from Haridwar or Gangotri in Uttarakhand. And they later anoint the water at the local Shiva temples as a gesture of thanksgiving. For the time being, all eyes are also on India's new health minister, Mansukh Mandavia, over whether his word holds sway. Remember, his predecessor's warnings against crowds had little impact on the massive religious congregations that erupted this year. With Dileep Singh in Dehradun and Abhishek Mishra in Lucknow, Bureau Report, India Today.